I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Stop spending your evenings on paperwork. PD Tech is here to help you get your weekends back.
Watch this video to learn how to manually mark a purchase order as billed. When you receive goods and the corresponding bill from your supplier, mark your purchase order as billed to recognize they fulfilled the order. Click Purchases. Then select Purchase Orders. Next, click Approved. Use the Search button or find your purchase order in the list. To quickly mark a purchase order as billed, select the checkbox. Then click Billed and click OK to confirm. Alternatively, click a purchase order to view the full details. Click Mark as Billed to recognize you've received the order and the corresponding supplier bill. Leave the Copy Purchase Order to Draft Bill checkbox unticked if you don't want to create a bill from the purchase order. We recommend you only do this if you don't want to create a bill from the purchase order. For example, if you use a data capture tool such as HubDoc or Dext to automatically create bills in Xero, then click OK. Remember to add a bill to record the business expense and recognize the amount you owe the supplier.